You know, I was watching reels for so long that yesterday I realized that I actually never heard birds singing outside my window. Like I just realized it yesterday. Do you hear them? Birds.
What?
Birds. The birds. You know, like
Birds what?
they sing. They sing. Like,
Oksana, is that fine?
yeah, actually, I like the color.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know I have a date tonight.
Oh, with who?
But you're
That's one already.
Yeah.
You have to tell me. It's nice lipstick.
Yeah, I just got it a few days ago, actually.
Nice color.
Mm-hmm.